Hi! Today I'm going to be talking about cells. There are two types of cells that I'm going to be talking about today. The plant cells and the animal cells. They may sound quite different to you, but in reality they are quite similar. Most of them have similar features. Well, for one thing, their structure is a little different. Plants have this thick, hard outer shell called the cell wall. This gives the plant cells its shape and its structure. This is unlike animal cells. Animal cells do not have a cell wall. Plant cells are rectangular, while animal cells don't really have a shape. The cell wall is why plants have a rectangular shape and animals do not. Inside of it is the cell membrane. Both plant and animal cells have cell membranes. This determines which particles go in and out of the cell. For the animal, this is the most outer layer of it. For the plant, it's the second most outer layer of it. In the middle is the nucleus. The nucleus is kind of like the brain. This is where all of the functions are performed. Without the nucleus, the cell cannot perform the functions that it needs to. In this whole cell, there's a gel-like fluid called the cytoplasm, and it's all throughout the cell. The cytoplasm contains most of the organelles. Organelles are the different parts inside each cell. An example is the nucleus. Another part of the cell, or an organelle, are the mitochondria. You can call them, they're also known as the powerhouse of the cell. This is where cellular respiration occurs. Also, there's also another organelle called the endoplasmic reticulum. This is a network of membranes that performs protein synthesis. This is also how particles are transported. Then there is the vacuole. Plants have one big vacuole, while animals have multiple smaller ones. The vacuole is a temporary storage for water and other substances. Last but not least is the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is only in the plant. This is where photosynthesis occurs. Well, that's all for today. Hope you learned a lot about cells. Thanks for watching.